So I hope technically we are going good. Okay. So first of all, I welcome you all for this Instagram live session from Faculty of Management Studies, Parul University. So this is going to be a very special live session. Okay. So if I'm audible, just write down all okay in the chat box. Just say all okay. So मेरे को भी पता चले कि like I'm going to be a very clear. Okay. So we just wait for our speaker of the day, Ayushi ma'am. So आज का सेशन रहने वाला है, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी अमेजिंग. आज के टॉपिक के अंदर हम सीखने वाले हैं ऑल अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट, राइट. सो हाउ मैनेजमेंट वर्क्स इन द रियल लाइफ. हम नॉर्मली सीखते हैं किताबों के अंदर मैनेजमेंट, बट मैनेजमेंट रियल लाइफ के अंदर वर्क कैसे करता है. सो आज हम स्पेशली उसके बारे में सीखने वाले हैं थ्रू दिस लाइव सेशन. और यस, हमारे गेस्ट स्पीकर, आज के हमारे जो स्पीकर है, शी इज हियर. सो लेट मी हेल्प टू इनवाइट आयुषी मैम. यस मैम, आप वहां से भी रिक्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. ओके. ओके, सो शी इज ऑन द स्क्रीन. यस मैम, वेलकम. गुड इवनिंग.
हेलो. गुड इवनिंग पार्थ, हाउ आर यू?
या मैम, फाइन. आप कैसे हो?
बस बिल्कुल फिट एंड फाइन. थैंक यू सो मच.
So first of all, I welcome you from Faculty of Management Studies, Parul University for this amazing live session. और जैसे हमारे ऑडियंस ऑलरेडी जानते हैं, आज का हमारा टॉपिक भी बहुत अमेजिंग, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है, एंड दैट इज ऑल अबाउट मैनेजमेंट, राइट. मैंने अभी ऑलरेडी बताया कि मैनेजमेंट को हम किताबों के अंदर पढ़ते हैं, बट रियल लाइफ के अंदर और हमारे जो कनेक्शन है उसके बीच में मैनेजमेंट को कैसे इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हैं, तो वो सभी चीजें हम आज के सेशन के अंदर जानने वाले हैं. So, मैम ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए लेट्स क्विकली स्टार्ट द सेशन. और
श्योर.
यस मैम, कुछ क्वेश्चन आंसर के थ्रू करेंगे. हमारे पास
बिल्कुल
क्वेश्चंस है, तो हम आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस करेंगे और सिंपली आपको उसका एक्सप्लेनेशन देना है मैम.
श्योर.
या मैम, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वेरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मैनेजमेंट. वी जस्ट वांट टू नो कि मैनेजमेंट क्या है.
Okay, so if I talk about management, simply defining management is time management, self-management, and work-life balance. A blend of time management where I am able to manage my time according to the job which is given to me or according to the task which I am doing. This is time management. Then if I talk about self-management, apart from the job, I must be able to, manage myself. That is the self-management where I can attain my self-realization, self-actualization, everything, because ultimately what everybody wants in their life, that is happiness. And how can you achieve happiness? When you are self-satisfied. Okay, so it is about self-management. And another thing is work-life balance. That is the best way by which you can, maintain your workspace plus your personal space, which will help you in bringing the equilibrium between the two. So in simple words, management is all about time management, work-life balance, and self-management.
Okay.
And if I talk about some theoretical aspects of management, so the theoretical aspects would be, a better manager would be, or the person who is into management, they are, getting the things done through others. A best manager is जो सामने वाले से काम करवा सकता है. So if I want to define it, I must have a capability as a manager so that the other person is ready to work under me with happiness and satisfaction. Two important things which come.
Yes, exactly मैम. आपने जो बताया बहुत अमेजिंग तरीके से आपने बताया. Now I just want to know कि what is the basic principle of management. मतलब मैनेजमेंट कैसे वर्क करता है.
Okay, so I would like to take a real life example about our father and mother. Okay, the real life example, I think they are the best managers whom we have it in our lives. Okay, father being the financial manager, mother being the homemaker, right? We always try to perceive them as this. So how they work? They have their own strategies to work. Like for a month, they have their own budget. Okay, like if I talk about my mother, she is the person who is looking out for everything in the family, right from inventory management, right from everything. If I talk about the technical terms which management incorporates, so she has to look out for the home management, the shop management, the finance, everything she is managing, right? Then how it works in the real life? It works in real life by two ways. One, the best thing you can incorporate by management is how you are getting the work done smoothly. Whether if you have decided the strategy to work, your strategy would be helping you to know whether the work is done in a smooth manner or not. One thing. And second is, if it is done in the smooth manner, it is giving you the desired result or not. So like this, the management is working in the real life. Okay, now here I would like to take an example of the Mumbai Dabbawalas. Okay, we popularly know about, it is a very famous case study also. Many news channels and many articles or journal articles have been written on this particular case study. Those people are not having the minimum qualification which is required to carry any management course. Okay, but still they are the best managers. How? They just simply work on one philosophy, that is they have to deliver the tiffin at the lunch time to the people who are working in the offices. This is the simple philosophy on which they work. They carry their tiffin from the people's home at 9:30 and they deliver it to people who are working in the offices at 1 p.m. But how they work? The whole thing is about management. That is, they are doing aggregation, segregation, they are coordinating with each other, they are, categorizing everything, and then they are distributed. So management is all about diversification, categorization, segregation, aggregation, everything will be comprising of under management.
ओके मैम, सो अभी जो आपने एग्जांपल बताया अबाउट द लाइक मुंबई का जो डब्बा वाले, तो लाइक पूरे इंडिया के अंदर, इवन पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर वो लोग फेमस है बिकॉज उनका जो भी मैनेजमेंट का पूरा नेटवर्क है, लाइक मतलब बॉम्बे के एक कॉर्नर से वो लोग टिफिन्स लेते हैं,
Yes.
कॉर्नर में वो लोग पहुंचाते हैं. लाइक इट इज लाइक मतलब सोच भी नहीं सकते उतना 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 बड़ा उनका नेटवर्क है, और वो पूरा मतलब बेस्ड इट थ्रू द ट्रेन, जो भी लोकल ट्रेन वहाँ का है, लाइक उसके थ्रू वो पूरा मैनेज करते. तो लाइक इट इज लाइक अमेजिंग फॉर लाइक एज एन एग्जांपल कि एक अगर हमें एज अ बीबीए करना है, एमबीए करना है, फिर हम कोई भी मैनेजमेंट स्ट्रीम के अंदर है. मैम आपने बहुत अमेजिंग एग्जांपल बताया ऑफ दिस लाइक डब्बा वाला. तो मैम आल्सो लाइक आई जस्ट वांट टू नो कि जो मैनेजमेंट है, अभी हम जो पढ़ रहे हैं मैनेजमेंट, वो जो मैनेजमेंट है अभी जो रियल लाइफ मैनेजमेंट है, उसको हम अगर हमें प्रोफेशनल लाइफ के साथ कनेक्ट करना है, तो लाइक व्हाट इज द कनेक्शन बिटवीन मैनेजमेंट बिटवीन द रियल लाइफ एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ?
Okay, I think this is a very good question. Thank you so much. You know why? What we learn in management, is management only confined to books, or is management only based on the theoretical aspects which are given in the books of, Philip Kotler, or which are given in the books of Robbins? No, I don't think so, because management can only give you the guidance or the principles what the scholars have written. But to connect them through your practical life, it is a part of the manager who is doing it. Okay, so we always have a confusion that we only learn management through books, or we only learn management through what is being prescribed in our syllabus. But I would like to draw your attention that management is also learnt from Bhagavad Gita. Management is also learned from Mahabharata. Management is also learned from Ramayana. So did they had the bookish knowledge about what is management? No, they were not having any bookish knowledge. But what they did one thing, and that was following their guru in a very proper way. Okay, so I would like to quote one Sanskrit shloka here, that yada yada hi dharmasya ग्लानिर भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम अधर्मस्य तदात्मनः सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. So what this thing all tells about, that is just a conversation between Sanjay and the Lord Krishna, that how I should go. The opponents are my cousins, whether I should attack them or not. But here what Lord Krishna is giving them the lesson, that you don't think who is in front of you, just perform your duties. And that's what management tells us all about, that you don't worry about who are your opponents or what are the problems which you are facing in your day-to-day lives. You just have to do one thing, and you have to follow your manager, whatever guidelines they are giving it to you, or whatever they are saying it to you. Okay, this is about Mahabharata and the Bhagavad Gita which they tell. there are certain different shlokas also which give you different other principles also. Like if I talk about karmanye vadika raste ma phaleshu kadachana. Okay, so what does it say? That just try to work with your commitment and efficiency. Okay, it is not only the part of a manager that he will guide you. Okay, it is your own commitment, your own passion, your own dedication, and your own engagement towards a particular work which you try to take. At the same time, what they try to say, there must be principle of unity. There must be a work culture where you can work with a efficiency and effectiveness. So management is all about working with efficiency and effectiveness, and that can be built upon only and only the unity, that is teamwork. Okay, so management helps us to know about what is the importance of teamwork, what is the importance of power. That is, how can you utilize your power in a right direction. Right now, if I talk about every person, I am equipped with some USP. Okay, there might be one USP which I might be having. Okay, you might be having a USP. Okay, but are we utilizing that USP in the right direction? We need to work upon that, and that is the part of management. That management, we can learn management from anywhere, but are we able to apply that management in the right direction or not? That we need to work upon.
Okay, ma'am. So like, I think it's a very big and a very deep sea. Management is a very big and deep sea. So ma'am, समझो अगर मैं एक student हूँ, मैं like as a new person हूँ, and if I want to explore this management field, तो मैम उसका कोई भी एक स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है कि मैं कहाँ से इसको एक्सप्लोर करना स्टार्ट करूँ, या फिर अगर मेरे को इसको मैनेजमेंट को ज्वाइन करना है, स्टार्ट करना है, लाइक ऐसा कोई पर्सपेक्टिव लाइक वे है कि मैं वहां से उसको स्टार्ट कर सकता हूँ?
ओके, सबसे पहले अगर आपको कहीं पर मैनेजमेंट को स्टार्ट करना है, सो आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट यू मस्ट गो थ्रू लाइक व्हाट आई बेसिकली टेल माय स्टूडेंट्स, और आई बेसिकली व्हेनेवर आई टॉक विद माय फेलो मेंबर्स, आई टेल देम दैट यू मस्ट ट्राई टू रीड द केस स्टडीज. जितना हमको रियल लाइफ में सीखने को मिलेगा वो सब केस स्टडीज से सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड देयर आर सर्टेन गुड English movies also and Hindi movies which are really made on management concept. Like if I take the example of the Rocket Singh, the Salesman of the Year. Okay, so that is one good movie. Okay, so I think आजकल का जितना भी youth है, they try to learn more from movies rather than from books. Okay, so अगर हम मूवीज को भी लर्निंग पर्सपेक्टिव से देखेंगे तो हम काफी सारी चीजें लर्न कर सकते हैं. एंड लाइक कमिंग बैक टू योर question, like if I have to start, or what starting point I should have, so I would suggest that every person should try to analyze who are the good entrepreneurs, because management is not about only an organization. It is altogether about a business. It is altogether about managing your finances. It is altogether about marketing. It is altogether about HR. It is altogether about how you apply all the practical skills and you take the advantage of the work experience which you have. So try to read the success stories of people. Everybody, like when I was reading an article from Harvard Business Review, what I understand is, they had an article where they stated that management is about a profession. Some scholars argue that management is more about a profession, while some of the scholars argue that management is more about science or management is more about art. So it depends upon the perspective that how the person is taking it. Okay, but if we want to learn management, try to read the success stories of people, because they say that everybody is on this planet Earth is given 24 hours. How you manage your 24 hours will make you a successful person. Like if you want to see the good movies, you can go for Guru, you can go for Chak De India, you can also go for The Insider, you can go for Ocean's 11. There are many movies which can help you to understand the concept of management, like how they manage. The whole management is all about how can I manage. This is the simple aspect of management.
Okay ma'am, so it's amazing. मैनेजमेंट के बारे में हम जो भी बेसिक चीजें थी और जो उसका ओवरव्यू था हम लोगों ने यहाँ पर बेसिक क्लियर किया. नाउ मैम आई वांट टू जस्ट नो कि इवन हमारे जो भी ऑडियंस है कि मैनेजमेंट के अंदर कोई एक स्पेसिफिक लाइक ऐसा हमें मैनेजमेंट लर्न करना पड़ता है या फिर उसके अंदर स्पेसिफिक कोई स्ट्रीम्स होते हैं, लाइक उसमें अंदर क्या क्या? यस मैम.
Specialization. Okay, like if I talk about management, earlier, like I am talking about 10 years back when I did my MBA. So it is almost a decade. So there we were only knowing that management is all about financial management, like the specializations I'm talking about. We were only having four major specializations: finance, HR, operations, and marketing. These were the four specializations which we were given, and we have to choose any one of them, right, when we were pursuing our MBA. But now I am amazed to see that I have read an article in HBR also, which says that management is altogether more about 47 specializations just to learn from management. Okay, so it is not only confined to finance, or it is not only confined to HR, operations, productions. No, it is all together, everything which is blending into it. You can learn economics also, you can learn finance, you can learn cost accounting, you can learn HR, you can learn the organizational behavior, you can learn many things into it. At the same time, now management is coming up different things. Like earlier it was only confined to the organizations. Now, earlier it was only confined to a sector. But the rewarding thing which is about management is you are acquiring such skills, such transferable skills from management, or you learn such transferable skills from management that are not confined only to sector. Okay, so now management is altogether many. Apart from finance, HR, marketing, operations, it is altogether many things. Like now we have IT management, we have sports management, we have luxury management, fashion management, event management, communication management, we have team management, hotel management, hospitality management, nursing management, and many more. Like we can earlier we can only count it on numbers or on our fingers, but now it is beyond that counting. So management is. I think management can never be confined to any specialization. Rather, it is giving you an overall picture for development of an individual.
Yes, ma'am. So it's a very huge and a very vast, like I can say a very बहुत बड़ी चीज है मैनेजमेंट के अंदर, और कई सारे ऑप्शंस है फॉर ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स जो भी इस चीज को एक्सप्लोर करना चाहते हैं। मैम यहाँ पर कमेंट के अंदर हम लोगों के क्वेश्चन आया है, कैन यू टेल अस मोर मूवी हॉलीवुड, मतलब हॉलीवुड नहीं बट आपके हिसाब से बॉलीवुड हॉलीवुड जो भी मूवी हो जिसके अंदर से हम कुछ एज अ इंस्पिरेशन ले सके, या फिर कोई ऐसा केस स्टडी है मूवी से हम सीख सके अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट।
Okay, I think we should go for Guru, the Hindi movie Guru. If you want to really understand about the Hollywood movie, we can go for The Insider, Ocean's 11. These are some of the movies which can give you the good insights about management concept. At the same time, like I said, Chak De India also, there is one thing. Then The Pursuit of Happiness is another movie. These are some of the movies which can give you great insights about it. Okay, one thing is also the recently released movie, that is Tufan, the Hindi movie that is recently released. Then I will talk about Bhag Milka Bhag. Okay, so all these movies which are based on the real life heroes, they are always showing you their dedication, their passion, and the way they manage their real life with that of the thing which they are doing as their profession. Right. At the same time, if I take the example of our Olympic winners, okay, so what are these winners? Have they learned it about management? But no, they are excelling in their life. Okay, so what is to be done here is, don't confine to any Hollywood movie or a Bollywood movie. Just try to look up the aspect related to management. Okay, and that management can be learned from any case study, right? You can learn from a communication skills case study also. You can learn from the HR case study also. You can even learn management from a stress management case study also. Okay, so there is no typical definition which can help you to understand that management is only related to or confined to a particular area or a particular genre. Rather, it is more of from where you can get the knowledge. Like you said that it is a vast, deep ocean. So वो बोलते हैं ना, अगर हमें अपना बूंद बूंद से ही घड़ा भरता है. This is what we say in Hindi. So जहां से आपको knowledge मिले, just try to keep it in your basket. Just try to develop your own portfolio of knowledge which can help you to excel in your real life.
Yes ma'am. So one more question is here for you. मैं अभी screen के ऊपर publish कर रहा हूँ. Ma'am, can you please explain the board definition of management?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you please explain the board definition of management?
Okay, broader definition of management. Okay, so if I would like to describe management, it is defining, defining your life. I'm talking more about life because, management is related to your real life. Right. So that is why I have told you that management is a blend of time management, self management, and work life balance. Right. If I have to define work, if I have to define management, it is the way you plan for the things, the way you organize your things, the way you control your things, the way you coordinate between different things. This is all about management. So it will help you in knowing about the planning concept, the coordinating concept, the reporting concept, the way by which you can design your budget accordingly, and likewise it will help you in understanding the concepts of management.
Okay, ma'am. So there is one more question और उसके बाद हम वापस हमारे questions की तरफ आगे बढ़ेंगे. But एक और question हमारे audience की तरफ से, ma'am, please tell how students should manage their schedule.
Okay, so here I have one good matrix, like I would define you, and that is known as a time management matrix. You must be able to divide your whole day on the basis of 4 different phenomena. That is, what is urgent, what is important, what is not urgent, and what is not important. When you can give answers in these 4 quadrants, your whole day, your whole thing would be managed easily. One thing that is you can know is what is urgent, that should be kept on the priority. Know your priority, set your own boundaries. You are the best manager for yourself. If I'm not defining or confining my boundaries, I cannot accomplish my work, whatever I have set or whatever target I have kept. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to plan our whole day or plan our work, whatever we have been assigned or whatever we are taking. On the basis of what is urgent to us, what is important to us, what is not urgent, and what is not important. Okay, so we must not waste our time on those things which are not important. Try to focus on things which are really important and they need your maximum attention.
Okay, ma'am. So that's all. There are some more questions from like our side. What are the career opportunities, or if I can say what are the future of the management? अगर मेरे को start करना तो what are the future? मैं क्या start कर सकता हूँ? What are the opportunities?
Okay, so if you want to be a management professional, you can be, any stream you can choose. You can be an entrepreneur. See, it is not confined that you have to work, you have to take up a job. You can be an entrepreneur. The only thing which is required from your side is the risk-taking ability. How much creative you are, how much innovative you are. If you have these qualities, then you can say that you can be an entrepreneur. And management is not about only businesses or only, job perspective. It is altogether everything. If you are able to manage your financial aspects, if you are able to manage the people around you, if you are able to manage your interpersonal skills, so you can be a better person for being an entrepreneur. One thing. Second, you can take up many good, job opportunities which are present in every sector. For that, a person must have a specified sector. Like, you must be clear in your mind that which sector you have to opt for. If you are good in finance, you can go for financial management. Okay, if you are good in HR, you can go for HR management or building corporate relations. If you are good in organizational building, you can go for corporate governance. Likewise, you can take up. Now there is legal management also, and everything are there in management aspect. So there is no confine. The only thing is you must be clear about which stream you have to come up.
Okay, ma'am. So, ma'am, one more question is there for you. How to be ready for a dynamic nature of management?
I would suggest that you must be adaptable. One theory which we have learned is survival of the fittest. Like, that is Charles Darwin's theory, that is survival of the fittest. If I'm able to cope up with the change which is going around me, if I'm able to adapt, if I'm flexible enough to adapt the changes which are going around me, I can survive in any situation. So I think it is more about how well you are able to be flexible and how well you are able to cope up with the changes which are going around you. So if you want to learn management, try to understand what is change management. Okay, so then change management will help you in, gaining more perspectives about how can you simply go for management. So the answer would be adaptability.
Okay, ma'am. Can you please elaborate about the corporate management? उसके अंदर क्या-क्या streams आते हैं? Because like one of the question from our audience.
Okay, so corporate management will comprise of many aspects. Like for example, it will all have the corporate governance. It will have everything like the strategic management. It will incorporate every broader aspects which are related to management area. That is, you must have the corporate governance, how well you are dealing with the people. Okay, it will also help you to know about how you should move ahead in the corporate world. So what training should be given to you, what development should be given to you, everything would be comprised of under the corporate management. So corporate management is a broader term. You can divide that corporate management into different sectors.
Okay, ma'am. Can you ma'am please tell me a little bit about the international business, because उसके लिए भी हमारे पास एक question आया था, ma'am. Can you please tell me about it?
Okay, so international business is managing business globally. Okay, simple definition of international business is how are you going to manage your imports and exports. So if you're good in managing your import exports, you are knowing the rules and regulations of it, because you know every management concept is coming up with certain code of conducts, certain philosophical guidelines, certain practical guidelines which we need to incorporate. Okay, so what guidelines you have to follow, if you are clear with that, you can manage any management which is around you. So international business is more about knowing how you know WTO works, how GATT works, you know how different aspects related to import and exports are there. How can you excel in those fields? They can help you in knowing better.
Okay, ma'am. So it's all about the international business. और I just want to say कि international business के ऊपर from the faculty of management studies की तरफ से हम लोग बहुत जल्द एक special live session इसके ऊपर रखने वाले हैं, especially on the international business. So जो लोगों को भी डाउट है, क्वेश्चंस है, तो उसके जो भी क्वेश्चंस है हम लोग क्लियर करेंगे, ट्राई करेंगे उन लोगों को क्लियर करने का. तो उसके लिए बहुत जल्द हम एक सेशन अटेंड करने वाले हैं. सो उसका अपडेट आपको हमारे सोशल मीडिया हैंडल के ऊपर मिल जाएगा. सो मैम एक क्वेश्चन है, लास्ट क्वेश्चन हम इसको लेंगे, हमारे फैकल्टी की तरफ से, केतकी मैम की तरफ से है. तो डू यू थिंक आई शुड बी सर्वाइवल ऑफ द वीकेस्ट?
Okay, I think if you consider yourself as the weakest person, then it would be difficult for you to survive. Like I would relate it in this way. Management will help you in knowing two things. That is, how can you turn your weaknesses into strength? When we talk about management, it is altogether a blend of your SWOT analysis. Okay, that is assessing your strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. If you already know that you are already having this weakness, then it is up to an individual that how that individual is, you know, transferring or, you know, trying to incorporate that weakness into strength. And how can you turn your weakness into strength? By continuously working upon it. If you think that these are my weaker areas, which are actually, you know, which can be a threat to me for my survival, I must work on more on those weaknesses rather than on the strength. You know, because strength will help you in, you know, standing. Strength will always help you in sustainability, whereas weakness will give you a threat. So try to eliminate your threats, then your weaknesses will always become the reason for your survival.
Okay, ma'am. So I hope हमारे जितने भी ऑडियंस थे, जितने भी व्यूअर्स थे, होप उनको समझ में आएगा कि मैनेजमेंट क्या है और हम उसको कैसे एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. So मैम, लास्ट थिंग आई जस्ट वांट टू नो फ्रॉम यू, इफ वी वांट टू समराइज, और या तो फिर हम बोल सकते हैं कोई भी आपके हिसाब से कोई भी क्लोजिंग पॉइंट ऑन द मैनेजमेंट.
Okay, so from my side, if I want to summarize about what management is, so management, if you really want to understand management, you can please go through the lessons or the management lessons from Bhagavad Gita. Like try to understand the roots of management. You know, those roots from management can be learned from our mythologies. You know, Veds, Purans, Upanishads, ये सिर्फ यूं ही नहीं लिखे गए. You know, I might be sounding spiritual here, but one thing which I want to make, you know, people clear that, you know, students mostly, that, you know, all these things will help you in gaining more understanding. Okay, try to learn the concepts from Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana, they all tell you that a person should be dedicated, a person should develop team building, A person should have innovativeness, a person should be goal directed, a person should be diversified. Okay, a person should be, working towards his own excellence. And that is what management is all about. So to sum up, I would like to say that management is altogether a blend of how you work upon yourself to excel in your life. That is, sorry, that is working on your weaknesses more and more rather than working on your strength. Try to overcome your weakness by practicing over certain things. Like, how can you practice? You can practice for time management. Just like I said, try to bifurcate your things, set your priorities, set your deadlines. Okay, whenever it is set, whenever you think that you should deny to some person, try to say no, but that should be in a polite manner. Don't be rude. So management is all about how you plan it, how you at the same time, how are you going to build an interpersonal relationship with the other person. So this is all about management.
Yes मैम, सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दिस अमेजिंग, और आपने कई सारे लाइक इंसाइटफुल कंटेंट दिया अबाउट ऑल अबाउट द मैनेजमेंट. सो फ्रॉम द फैकल्टी ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडी आई जस्ट वांट टू से अ बिग 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 थैंक यू फॉर लाइक आज के सेशन के लिए आने के लिए, और हमारे जितने भी ऑडियंस थे, इवन हमारे स्टूडेंट थे यहाँ पर, इवन कई सारे फैकल्टीज थे, इवन प्रोफेसर्स थे, और इवन कई सारे ऑल ऑफ द इंडिया से लोग थे. So, ma'am, I just want to say a big thank you for this amazing session and for this valuable information. So,
Even I would like to thank you for inviting me here as a resource person so that I can share my views. Sometimes हमारे views confined हो जाते हैं जब हम share नहीं कर पाते. So even you have given me a good platform where I could, share many insights, and I hope this would be finding knowledgeable to students also, and they can gain something from it and they can incorporate it in their real lives.
yes, ma'am. So thank you so much once again, and
Thank you.
this live session. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, everyone.